Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3 parts in your assignments for me. Today, this video is from Thursday, January 7th. So here you can see the announcement for Thursday, January 7th. And then when you're ready to start the work, of course, go down and find week 1, day 4, Thursday, January 7th. Click on that. Here is the coursework for today, and as usual, if you go to the bottom, there is the assignment, this blue link here. If you read here, it says there are 3 parts to it, to the assignment. So click on that. Here, as usual, you can see the directions, okay? So now in the directions, you can read. Here is your assignment for today. It is due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. It will take you 2 hours. There are 3 parts to it. Part A, workbook, page 16, exercise E, numbers 1 and 2. Write the full sentences. And then keep reading here. Part B, take the prepositions of time practice quiz and tell Shauna your score. And then part C, you're going to record a video in discussion. You're going to watch the video here first to show you how to record the discussion, and then you're going to record it. So now you know what to do for parts A, B, and C. Maybe now would be a good time to take the practice quiz, and you remember you're going to click on here, take the quiz, and you're going to write down your score. What score did you get out of 10? For this quiz, there are 10 questions in this quiz. Okay, so after you finish taking the quiz, you write down your score. You can go back. Let's see here. Go back to the assignment. You can also maybe now watch this video. Okay, so this is going to show you how to record a video in discussion. So you can click on there to watch the video about how to record the video. Okay, this is going to be Teacher Laureen. It's not me, it's Teacher Laureen. Okay, so you're going to watch the video, then go back to the assignment now. So you have finished the practice quiz, you've written down your score, you have watched the video. You can also record your video. Okay, so here it's at the bottom. It says, let's see here, go to discussions here and record your video. So now you're going to go to discussions here, and you are going to go down, and you can, let's see here, click on here. Let's get to know each other, and then you can hit reply here. There we go. And here you see the arrow. Where's the arrow here? Right here. You see the arrow. You're going to click on that. You're going to upload record media. And then you're going to click here. Now, do you see this? I am in Safari. Canvas doesn't like Safari, the Safari browser. So you will have to go into Chrome or Firefox to record your video. So I'm glad this came up. That's very, very important. So now I will have to go to another browser to record my video. Okay, so let's go back to the home, go back to the coursework for today, week 1, day 4, and go back down to the assignment, click on there. So now you have taken the practice quiz, you have watched the video, you have recorded the video. So now you can submit your assignment. So submit assignment here. And it gives you an example of what to do. Okay, so now we can do part A. In your workbook, remember your workbook, guys, right here, the workbook on page 16, exercise E. Exercise E is right here. I've already finished my assignment. So now if you go here, you can click in this. This is the text entry box, part A. And to help me, you might even say workbook, page 16. Let's read the instructions again here. Oh, you only have to do exercise E, number 1 and number 2. You don't have to do number 3. So exercise E, you can say EX for exercise. You could even say a P for page, right? And then you can just start number 1. And please type those answers. Her name is Liliana. She is, so you're just doing exercises 1 and 2 only for part A. Okay, and then you're going to continue with number 2. Number 2 is his, is the answer. His name is Vincent, and so on. Okay, and then for part B, remember part B, you had to take that prepositions of time practice quiz. So example, I got 9 out of 10. Oops, I got 9 out of 10 on my practice quiz. And then you already finished, let me move this up. You already finished, you already recorded your video in the discussions. So again, you can copy here. I recorded a video in discussions. A video in discussions, period. And then you are finished. So there we have part A, part B, part C. If you have all 3 parts, I will give you 10 out of 10. And also don't forget to submit. Submitting. Yay, I submitted my assignment. All right, thank you everybody.